These are a BEAU-601 6.5 wedge that I'll be reviewing for you today. They're a slip-on mule, and the link is in the description if you would like to purchase. Hello, welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. I'm Amanda. We have a gorgeous shoe in today. This is actually a wedge. I know a lot of you have been requesting the slip-on style, so we have a slip-on in a wedge. This is the BEAU, B-E-A-U. It's a 6.5 inch heel in a wedge. Please come really nicely packaged. These ones are individually wrapped in the little mesh bag. They are super, super cute. You've got the clear top on them as well, so you can see through, makes your legs look really nice and long. And then you've got the really big 6.5 inch in the wedge. I've actually never done a wedge video for you guys, so this will be really exciting. It has the nice memory foam squishy bottom, the gold flake logo, which just makes it a little bit extra and fancy. And then we have the travel bag in here, which is great. You can pop your shoes in it or anything when you're traveling. Really nice little addition. And then the other one, so cute. Really nice wedge at the front, so you'll be really comfortable. Your foot's not going to be on too much of a huge angle. And I'm doing a size 7, so hopefully these fit. I'm usually a 7 to a 7.5. Sometimes with the clear tops on them, you can use a hairdryer to make it stretch a bit more so your foot can slide in. But these should be okay. Otherwise, if it doesn't fit straight away, you can just warm it up with your foot itself and then it will fit. So they're a little tight for the first time, but once they warm up to your skin, it will mold around it nicely. Okay, so this is the BEAU by Pleaser. Really cute in a 6.5 inch. So you can wear this with some jeans or a little dress or something like that. Really elegant, really extend your leg and makes them look nice and long. Again, this is a slip-on style, so really easy to pop your foot in, slip it on, kick them off when you need. If your feet are a little sore and you just want to rest them, you can, or if you're going to walk on the beach or something, you can easily just kick them off. And then I'll give you guys a side view as well. Really cute shoe and really nice elongating style. I love the clear at the top as well. You can imagine if I was in a little summer dress, how you could see how much it would really extend my legs. And we'll give it a look outside as well. If you're interested in these shoes, this is the BEAU by Pleaser. Our link is in the description, so you can shop straight from the video. All you need to do is click the link and then you'll be able to get to the shop and grab a pair. So if the link's up, the shoes are available. We have a pretty average day here in Brisbane, but it's okay because it's not too hot, so we can walk outside and it's not too bad. But just imagine it's the Bahamas and it's a really sunny, beautiful day. Make sure you're clicking like and subscribe on the video so you never miss any of our new videos. We have new shoes coming in all the time that we're reviewing for you guys. So if you don't ever want to miss a video, click on that like and subscribe and the bell button. So let me know what you think about these shoes. A really great thing about the slip-ons is you can literally just kick them off like that. No straps or buckles, and they're all done. I love the memory foam bottom on these. I actually can't get over it. They were super, super comfortable to wear. So definitely loving that pair. And now that we're in summer in Australia here, it's really great. So again, the code for this is BEAU-610. You can pick these up with the link in the bio. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Amanda from Shoes of Hollywood. See ya. Bye.